Google Docs uses Google Bard. Integrate Google Bard with Google Docs. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you how you can integrate your Google Docs with Google Bard and properly use it. So you're going to come to Bard's website, which is bard.google.com. Okay, in bard.google.com, you're just going to go to their main page where they're going to allow you to obviously try Bard. So you're going to click on try Bard, go ahead, agree to their terms. Once you agree to their terms, they're going to put Bard into your, actual prompt section. And all you're going to do is you're going to go ahead, put it in your extensions, okay? And once you add Bard into your extensions, as it clearly is right now, all you're going to do from here is you're going to go over to your Google Documents. And once you're into your Google Documents, from there on out, obviously, go ahead and write any document you want with Bard's help, because Bard is obviously basically just an amazing AI that you can use for yourself. Okay, so obviously over here, these are Bard suggestions. You can go with anything. Let's say you want to write meeting notes or anything else. Let's say I want to add something else. So this is obviously Bard stuff. I want to go ahead and add some product roadmap. Okay, so as you can see, Bard helps you create all these things. So yeah, that's how you use Google Bard. And obviously don't forget to add Bard into your extensions like this. And you can just search up for Bard extension online as well. And Google Bard will allow you to connect your app for Bard extensions. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.